This is a tall elephant pot I created in Blender. I printed these on my K1 Max, they don't take long to print. You should be able to resize this if you want to use it for dry flowers or something like that. I'll be uploading this to all the normal places and I'm going to release this free. This is just a different view of the time lapse. And these are the finished pots. I made them all in the same size, but as I say, you can adjust the size if you want. If you have any questions, please use the comments section and I will do my best to answer. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, it's always most appreciated. And thank you for watching.